to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. Here we are heading into the official start of spring on Sunday, and we're watching the potential for a wintry storm around here. Players' energy diving down through the Rockies. It's going to pick up this moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and develop into an area of low pressure. The question is how close that comes to our coastline, and the timing on it would be later Sunday afternoon, Sunday night into Monday. And this is going to be a potent storm system, so the potential is there for more than 6 inches of snow where we get it. Trying to figure out where those heaviest bands are going to be setting up, but stronger winds as well, especially along the coastline. There could be some gusts over 40 miles per hour, and all of these details are going to be determined by the exact track of the storm. Now, over the past 24 hours, it's appeared as though the heaviest snow amounts may be over the interior as you get away from the coastline, with some mixing near the coast and especially on Cape Cod. However, during the overnight hours, our computer models have started trending a little farther east with the storm, and that may take these heavier snow amounts and shift them closer to the coastline and down on the Cape with less rain involved for you. So still a lot of question marks as to exactly where the heaviest snow is going to set up, but that is only one part of this storm system. Wherever you get the snow, it is going to be wet snow, and you couple that with some wind, and there is the concern for some power outages. That is a factor this time of year when you talk about a spring storm of any kind. And along the coast, the winds may kick up, but it doesn't look like the tides are astronomically high, so not overly concerned with the threat for coastal flooding. So lots to watch with this storm system. How are we going to get snow? It's been so warm lately, right? Well, the cold air sitting right up there over Quebec, and it is dropping southward with this cold frontal boundary. So we've been in the 60s and 50s the past couple of days. One more day in the lower 50s with that westerly wind, 15 to 20 miles per hour, sneaking to about 52 Boston, a little colder out through the Worcester Hills. But late in the day, the winds shift as that front drops in, and that's going to start to bring in the colder air. With that front coming in as well, it's going to help to trigger some showers popping up this afternoon, generally dry through noontime, but the clouds are building. And by 2 o'clock this afternoon, most of the activity is off to the north and west of the city of Boston, but it gets closer into greater Boston by the time we hit the evening commute, 5, 6 o'clock this evening. And similar to yesterday, a lot of cold air aloft. Some of those downpours could bring down some gusty winds, some small hail a possibility, and things should begin to wind down after 8 o'clock this evening, lastly on Cape Cod, and then we clear out overnight, and here comes the cold. Look at these low temperatures down in the 20s overnight. So it is a cold start coming up on Saturday, but hey, your weekend starts out really sunny. Saturday is a nice day, bright but on the chilly side, and then we watch our storm approach from the south and west. Snow should move in Sunday afternoon and get heavier as we go through Sunday night. Exits pretty quickly here on Monday morning, so it's that time period between late Sunday and into Monday. And let me break down the timing for you, because we may start out Sunday morning with just a little bit of sunshine, but it fades quickly. And by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, notice how that snow is approaching from the south and west. It gets heavier during the evening hours, but we're starting to see rain mix in on the Cape here, and we'll have to track how far north and west that rain-snow line gets to determine where we see the heaviest snow. But it pulls out early on Monday. Cold is lingering here through the first part of the week, but then look at that. We're back up to near 60 degrees here by Thursday.